Hey there! Today we are diving headfirst into the wonderfully delicious world of cendol. This is an iced drink that is popular in Malaysia, but you usually will find the best cendols on the streets of Malaysia. Don't be surprised to see people queuing up for a bowl of this delicious syrup filled iced drink. Have you tried anything so delicious? Well, let's see how to make this easily at home. First up, we've got some coconut milk. We need thick, creamy coconut milk. Add half a teaspoon of salt to bring out the special flavor. Then just get a pack of chendol. You can get these string-like jellies from many supermarkets. That will save you a lot of time. We can take shortcuts sometimes when we are short of time. Then we also can add pre-boiled kidney beans. We also need coconut palm sugar syrup. I've shared how to make this syrup in an earlier video. Please check the description below for the link. Now we have all the ingredients together. Let's serve the chendol. Help yourself. You can add as much chendol and kidney beans as you like. Then add spoonfuls of shaved ice. The easy method for making the shaved ice is provided in the description. And now drizzle palm sugar syrup generously on top. The delicious chendol is now ready to be enjoyed. It's like having a party in your home. This stuff is so good, especially on a hot day. Thanks for joining me on this dessert adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we've got more delicious food recipes coming your way. Until next time, stay curious and keep on slurping that chendol.